Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So usually I like to have something sweet in the morning, but once in a while I like to change it up and have something savory for breakfast. And one of my go-to savory breakfast recipes is tempeh scramble on toast. Now, usually you're not a huge fan of tempeh, right? But you really enjoyed this recipe?
I have to say so.
Tempeh is a fantastic source of protein, it's really high in magnesium and it's very filling. And I think the great thing about this recipe is that you can have leftovers for lunch or for dinner with some oven roasted sweet potato, avocado, lots of greens. It's delicious. Ready to give it a try?
Yes, let's go.
So the only equipment we'll need is a large frying pan. And then what I like to do is melt a spoonful of extra virgin coconut oil. And then here I've got 1 minced shallot. Just add that to the pan, together with lots of spices. Today I've got some turmeric powder, which has really strong anti-inflammatory properties, and it adds a nice yellow color as well. It's great for glowing skin, it will boost your immune system. And I always like to add some black pepper, because black pepper will help your body to absorb and to activate the nutrients from the turmeric. And then I've got some smoked paprika powder, which adds a nice sweet smoky flavor. Some sea salt. And then I like to add some nutritional yeast as well. And this will add a nice cheesy flavor to our scramble. 2 spoonfuls is perfect. And then just give it a good stir. So once the shallot has really soaked up all the flavors, I like to add the kale. You could add any veggies you like. Today I've got some kale and cherry tomatoes, but use whatever's in season. And then again, just give it a good stir. And I first like to add the kale and then add cherry tomatoes so the kale turns nice and crunchy. Just leave it to fry for about a minute or so on medium heat. Okay, now we can add the cherry tomatoes. I've already cut these in half. Just give it a good stir again. Then lower your heat. And you can add the tempeh. I've already gone ahead and cut these into tiny pieces. And I'm using smoky tempeh today because it adds a nice deep flavor. And then just turn off the heat. Give it a good stir. Wait for half a minute or so and your tempeh scramble will be ready. So our tempeh scramble is ready. And then I've got some homemade almond oat bread. It's actually a recipe from my new book, Easy Vegan with Chili. It's translated into vegan and raw too. I'll put the link in the description down below if you want to have a look and if you'd like to try the bread recipe. It's gluten-free, it's yeast-free, super easy to make. So this is our base. And then I like to add a generous serving of tempeh scramble. Let me just set this aside. And then for toppings, I like to add avocado for healthy fats. It also helps to stay satisfied until lunchtime. And then I've got some chives. This is just for flavor. You could add some spring onion as well. And then I love adding some nigella seeds. Now, these have a really subtle onion flavor that I really love in combination with the avocado and the tempeh scramble. But if you don't have them at home, just use sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, whatever you like. It smells amazing. What do you think, Simon? Ready for a taste test? I think this is going to be quite a challenge.
Yeah, I think so.
They're fully loaded. The tempeh scramble is salty, it's smoky, it's cheesy, and I think it goes really well with the almond bread. What do you think?
The tempeh doesn't come out as well, so it's really nice.
Yeah, really subtle. So definitely let me know what you think of this tempeh scramble on toast by leaving a comment down below and by sharing your pictures. And don't forget to tag me at Raw Food Chef Julie with the hashtag Julie's Lifestyle, and to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please do. That helps us out a lot. We post new recipe videos on Tuesday. For more free recipes and to get your free recipe ebook, go to julieslifestyle.com and subscribe to the mailing list. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you'll enjoy this tempeh scramble on toast. Can't wait to read and hear what you think. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Ready for a taste test? Oh no!